Hi everyone! In this video, I will tell you how to change the key battery in MG brand vehicles. We open it by pressing the button on the side of the key. You will see a key to be used in cases where the remote control does not work. We remove this key. We open the cover by pushing with 2 fingers. We can remove the battery in place. If we cannot remove it with our hands, we can also remove it with the help of a screwdriver. We can change the battery and put it back in place. Pay attention to the direction when installing the battery. Before installing the cover, we carefully place this part in its place. Finally, we close the cover lightly. We also place our key in its place. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.